Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall guide you through the process of drawing a beautiful school van. Start by sketching the outline of the school van using a pencil. Draw two large circles for the wheels at the bottom of the van. Add smaller circles inside the larger ones to represent the tires. Connect the wheels with straight lines to form the base of the van. Draw the body of the van with straight lines and gentle curves. Add details such as windows and doors to the van's body. Sketch the roof of the van, making sure it's proportional to the rest of the drawing. Outline the headlights and the grille at the front of the van. Draw the side mirrors and any other small details you add like to include. Raise any unnecessary lines and refine the shape of the van. Now it's time to add color to your drawing. Choose vibrant colors for a lovely look. Use a light blue for the body of the van and yellow for the windows. Paint the wheels black and add silver accents for a realistic touch. Don't forget to color the headlights and the grille at the front of the van. Add highlights and shadows to make your drawing pop. Blend colors smoothly for a professional finish. Take your time and enjoy the process of bringing your drawing to life. Experiment with different colors and techniques to make your school van unique. You can add stickers or decals to personalize your drawing further. Pay attention to light sources and shadows for a realistic effect. Take breaks as needed to rest your hand and avoid fatigue. Don't worry about making mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching this video.